front view of the beautiful beaches of Berbera. Look guys, we're staying at the Montserrat Hotel, the only oceanfront hotel in this entire area. I'm excited to share this journey as we learn about Berbera and why Somali love lives here.
bili waxaad u leedahay erigoodka bilaniyo mawjadaha butaaciyo beertii jacaylkee oo dharikuwaasna beertii jacaylkee